We're going to be removing this cooling tower and replacing it with a new one. This hospital's been closed for about 2 years, and this is part of the upgrade. This supplies air conditioning to the ORs and operating rooms, and you don't want an OR shutting down, that's for sure.
It's old, it's outdated, there's more efficient ones, and the condition of the pipe is just, it's gone. We just nick off the bolts, all 4 corners. That's the only thing left holding us onto the roof now. Connected here, George, yeah? Connected on both sides there? I'm gonna take it up a little bit. It's starting to float. Yes, we're going to assemble these on the ground and lift them up onto the roof as one piece. With the cooling tower being delivered and put onto the roof, now we have condenser water piping, which will be coming from the roof, from the cooling tower down to this location. They've taken out from this system an old steam-operated chiller. We've now installed a high-efficiency smart chiller. This chiller is to give the hospital better cost savings and a more efficient operation for the chilled water. It wouldn't fit through the doors, through the stairwell. We had to disassemble it and then put back together on site downstairs after it was all in position.
Boom down, 5 feet to go. Boom down, down on the line, 2 inches. Cut the panel, hold it there.
Actually, you want to come down a bit more, or are you okay there? What do you think, Reno? Are you happy?
Right on.
Okay. We have to finish connecting the piping, then flush out this system. We have to flush with chemicals, and she's ready to roll.